Alright friends, in this lesson we will learn how to use break and continue statements in Python programming. So break is used to completely stop a loop. Continue is used to skip the rest of current loop iteration and move to the next one. So let's do an example. Here you see, if I run it, you see it appears 1 to 9. Okay. Here I open my if condition. If this number value is equal to 5. So I want to stop the loop. So for this I use break. If I run it, what you will see? You see the iteration start with 1 and continue. Number became 2. And I am checking here. 2 is less than 10. Yes. So this condition is not true. So I am continuing my loop. Number became 3. This condition is not true. It continue. Number became 4. I print it. You see. So after 4, number became 5 here. So 5 is less than 10. Yes. So I enter this if condition. This if condition true, and I break. So here, break statement completely stop this loop, this while loop, and while loop ends. The rest, I don't care. While loop ends after break. You see, it just appear 1, 2, 3, 4 on the screen. I hope you understand this. If I use continue here, it just skip this iteration. What's this iteration? When number became 5. Only skip this iteration. So if I run it, you see, but it does end, right now it's working. I just stop it. So we change in continue a little bit this. I just cut here and paste it here. Why? First, I increase number, so I'm checking this number is 5 or not. If 5, I don't print it. It just goes to the next one. So in here, you see, when it continues the next one, it can't increase the number value. I need to increase number value, so that's why I go this way. I increase the value at 6 times at first, and after I check number is 5 or not. So if I run it, you see here, if the number is 5, I skip this iteration. I don't print it. So I go next iteration. What's next iteration? Number became 6, and then I print it. You see, the first one became 2 here, because I increased directly. So here I made number is equal to 0. So I run it again. You see it start with 1. I print it. When the number is equal to 5, I skip it. I continue printing, and then at last here I print 10. Why? It enters the while loop when the number is equal to 9. So I increase number value. Number value became 10. So I print it. So I am checking right now. 10 is less than 10. No, while loop ends. So that's why here we just skip 5 and the rest we print it. Super. See you in the next lesson.